We are back today with another install video for the Outsiders channel. This is my AM intake that I got for the Genesis. And I'm about to unbox it for you guys so you guys can see this sexy little thing right here. We got some stickers, some instructions. Got some wrapping paper. Ooh, we got a cool AM license plate cover. I'm about to put that on the car too. Coupler, connector, whatever you want to call it. Some lines, hoses, connectors, and hose clamps. The intake, AM. Looking pretty good. Oh, the sick filter. This is a nice filter. And of course, to replace my stock windshield wiper fluid. Alright, well, let's take this outside and install it.
So you know, Robert forgot to turn it on. What an idiot.
Shut up! Alright, so I don't know how much of a mess this is about to get. So a little update. Got the washer fluid out, or washer fluid container. Then I'll take off the two sensors and plugs. Put all this into the new container. First I have to put it into a different container. Put the sensor and stuff onto that container. Put the washer fluid back in and all good to go. So my predicament. See this piece? This has to come off. See how it's clamped onto the turbo? You see anywhere to get that clamp off? No, because it's underneath, yeah. That clamp has to come off, but the clamp's underneath.
Clamp on? Oh, flat. That's why you can't see it.
Yeah. Alright, good news. We got the old intake off. So there is my stock turbo. And my HKS blow-off valve that you guys can see right there, but yeah. It's a pretty clean looking turbo. I say, let me get some light up in there. Oh, no, that made that one. Alright, cool. Good one, Robert. So yeah, that's my chic turbo. My chic little terpskis right there. Looking pretty dandy right on down there. So yeah, next we're gonna put the new coupler on. Or if that's what you call it, clamp it down to the turbo. Bam. Dude. Matty eyes! Alright, so this coupler's gotta go onto the turbo. Right there. Oh, that's just some good fitment. Matt!
What's up, motherfuckers? Pop gangs here.
Alright, so.
A whole lot of gang shit. Fuck you.
Only they can see you. Yeah, they can see you because zoomed in. So you saw, yeah. So you see how thin my old intake is?
Yeah.
Look at the new piping. Look how thick that is.
Hey Robert, if you're editing this, you're gay.
Alright, so instructions. Fuck instructions. Get this. That goes there, I think. No, that goes there.
Good thing you don't have over 1,000 already, because you would have been demonetized so fucking fast.
Why?
With how much we cuss. Or how much I do.
Yeah, you cuss a lot. Like in one of the videos,
bitch,
you're like, I'm about to make a racial slur, but then his mom walked out. I was like, wow.
No. Was I about to say? I thought I was just gonna say like a racist joke.
No, they said in paperwork on the instructions to take the headlight
Paperwork's
out.
wrong. I'm right. There's no way it's gonna fit.
I don't want to scratch it.
Chico when you play the set, so she gon' give me deep throat with
I tried. Yeah, you did try.
Gosh dang it, man. How'd you get this in the first place? Matt, shut up. I'm trying to film here. Just gotta install the air filter. And then after I install the air filter, I gotta install the windshield wiper fluid thingamabob. This is gonna be pretty sick. Oh, here we go. Dude, that's freaking dope. Now I gotta put on the carb sticker. Oh, I forgot. I also gotta put the hoses on. Dude, what the heck? Like I'm in 2 hose clamps. I gotta take the ones off the stock. Oh my gosh. Huh?
I said now rep the piss out of it. While it's cold, don't let it warm up. Warm it up.
One, let it warm up. See it?
Boss.